Your print heads are clogged, you've done multiple head cleanings, and you still can't get the print to come out correctly. Well, I'm going to show you how to take care of that problem the easy way using this product. Hey, what's up? It's Jeff over at Immortal Prints, and I have a clogged print head, and so do you. That's why you're watching this video. But I'm going to show you how I take care of this. Now, first, let's get into the printing. Now, most people who have a clogged print head will do multiple cleanings. And the only thing that you're doing right there is you're wasting your ink. Now, you got to think of it like a hose and a sprayer. So let's say you're outside with the hose and you pull the sprayer. Now you pull in the sprayer, the water shoots out, and that's kind of like how the print head cleans. The nozzle gets dry, and when you do the head cleaning, it sprays out hard and it takes the dryness away, and then it wipes it down, cleans the head, and that's that. But did you know that every time you do that, you fill the tank up just a little bit? There's an internal tank inside the printer that every time you do a print head cleaning, you fill that tank up a little bit more. It's called a waste tank. Every time you do a head cleaning, it fills up little by little by little until the printer is gone. That's right. Every time you do a head cleaning, you're bringing your printer one step closer to death. So we're going to unclog the print heads, but we're not going to do a head cleaning. So we're not going to go to maintenance and do a head cleaning, because all you're going to do is waste your ink and you're going to kill your printer eventually. So instead, we're going to actually print our heads clean. And what you're going to need is you're going to need a CIS system that's dedicated to head cleanings, because this might be the first time that you can't unclog your heads, but it's not going to be the last time. So it's going to be a problem that, as long as you're a printer, you're going to have clogged print heads every now and then. So it's good to just be able to have a quick and simple solution to get this over with, so you can go back to making money. So you need a CIS system, that's a continuous ink system. And you're going to need refillable cartridges. So you just get some refillable cartridges like this. And that's it. That's all you need. Now, of course, you need a solution as well. But I'm going to show you how this works. So it just so happens that I have a clogged print head, or multiple clogged print heads, and we're going to take it to the printer right now, and I'm going to show you how I load it up, and we're just going to let it print out, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so here we are at my print station, and as you can see, I have multiple printers. I have this one for sublimation. So this is an Epson 1430. This is for sublimation. I have this one, which does all black positive. And this is also an Epson 1430, and it prints 13 by 19. And I also have this one, which is an Epson 3880, which prints 17 by 22. And as you can see, it has all refillable ink cartridges. That's why it sticks out. And you can see all my printers have the CIS system, continuous ink system. This way I could just refill them. And right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap out cartridges. So excuse the camera angle. See if I can put this in a area where you can see. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, so let's turn it on. Okay, first, while it's doing that, let's get some paper. Let's get some paper in it. Okay, we're all loaded up with paper. Right now, what we're going to do is we're going to do a test print. We're going to do a nozzle check. Okay, hopefully you can see this. I don't know if you could see that, but 1, 2, 3, 4, and looks a little shaky over here. See if I can get it a little closer. You see it's a little sketchy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean that up. But first, let's replace the cartridges. See that? All 6 cartridges at one time. I'm just going to place that on the side. Now I'm going to replace them with these. Oops, don't do that. But if it happens, it happens. So you got the magenta, you got cyan, you got light magenta, you got light cyan, black, and yellow. Okay, that's that. Let it charge up. Okay, so the cartridges are replaced with the ink cleaner, and now we're just waiting for it to finish charging up. Okay, so we're gonna head back to the computer and we're gonna use this to purge the printer. So basically you can actually use this to do one color at a time if you like. Let's say if you have one color that is off and you just want to print this one color, or you can do 8 if you have an 8 color printer. And since mine is 6 color, I'm gonna go with the 6 color. We're gonna purge 6, and I'm gonna change this to 20. Gonna do 20 pages because, hey, would you rather print out 20 pages or would you rather do waste your ink and potentially kill your printer? I'd rather do the 20 pages. So we're gonna go in there. Hopefully you can see this. Gonna go to properties. I'm gonna go to advanced. I'm gonna take that high speed off. We don't want that high speed. Okay? We're gonna put it on. We're gonna put it on ultra glossy or premium. You can put it on premium. This way it prints out a lot. Now we're at 20. We did the high gloss print. So it prints, there's a lot of ink that comes out, but instead it's not ink, it's ink cleaner. Now it's gonna send it over back to the printer. As you can see, it's printing nice and slow. Nice and slow. You're gonna get rid of that clog in no time, just by printing. Okay, so I stopped the printer 10 pages short because it looked like it was nice and clean to me. So let's take a look. Removing the cartridges. Putting the CIS back in. Making sure it's secure. Now it's going to charge up again. Okay, we're going to go over to the computer and we're going to do a nozzle check. Print nozzle check. And this is the moment that we've all been waiting for. Let's see. Yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to see if I can get it to the light. Every print head is clear. So that's what I'm talking about. Boom, right there. Every print head is clear. So there you have it. No head cleanings, just printing your print heads clean. And don't think I was going to leave you out there. This product, you can get this product. It's Print Head Cleaner by Inkjet Carts. So there's going to be a link in the description. So don't worry, I'm not going to leave you out there. Link in the description. I'm not getting paid by these guys. I just really like their product and it works for me. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to write it in the comments section. I'm going to be doing a lot of more videos and it's just going to be embroidery and screen printing. And hey, if you have something that you want to see, you let me know. Just get in touch. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. You can go to immortalprints.com and you can like us on the Facebook from there. And I'll see you in the next video.